Click on the video clip that you want to trim. At the top, go to Trim. Here you can drag the video clip from the left-hand side and from the right-hand side to identify which area of the video clip you want to trim. You can adjust the trim duration. And when you're finished, click Done. You can also use the auto trim feature, which is a Pro plan feature that is included if you are on the Pro plan. And what this does is that it will trim the beginning and the end parts of the video automatically for you. One more thing you can do is go back to Trim, click on Highlights, and this feature is also for Pro users only. And what this does is that it will break down your video clips into sections. So Canva will identify the most important sections in your video, and it will try to break it up into what it thinks are the most important sections. So this could be helpful if you're trying to add timestamps to your video and identify the key moments of your video clip. So it's not always perfect, but it does its best to identify the most important parts in your video. So you can either click all of them or just click a few of them and then just add the selection to your design. And now you see the video part is broken into 3 sections. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.